They just don't have the time, the resources, the money, and sometimes the expertise around them to achieve some of these challenges that have been set out. And yet 6% have already got there, and almost half have already set net zero targets to get there. So I think there's a lot of work for many still to do, without a shadow of a doubt. A huge proportion of them that aren't close to achieving net zero yet know how important it is. They understand the challenges that they face. They just need a little bit of help in getting there. And in terms of the costs to achieve this, I think they all acknowledge that it's a huge and a really important challenge to us all. It is a challenge, but equally there's some huge opportunities in this for those that take the steps to even just begin that journey. And there are some clear indications of growth opportunities and some recruitment opportunities of new skills for those that demonstrate they're prepared to take some steps to start to achieve this and work towards that challenge of net zero by 2050.